Hey, it's Joseph here. We are doing slightly different format of a video because I wanted to introduce BILT for you. BILT is a conference that I will be attending in July and I will be presenting at the event as well. BILT actually stands for Buildings, Infrastructure, Lifecycle, and Technology. So let's jump into their website and see what other details are available for us. So first of all, let's just search BILT conference. And then I'm just going to click on this BILT NA 2019 DBEI. So it is clear that the BILT for North American region would be from 18th to 20th of July 2019 Seattle, and also the fact that this is managed by Digital Built Environment Institute. And if I scroll further down here, it basically introduces what BILT is, which is an annual event designed to cater to the needs of those who design, build, operate, and maintain our built environment. And this event's sessions focus on the use of BIM tools, BIM processes and workflows, and project and practice strategies with leadership skills. So I can further scroll down and you can see the event features learning and storing and sharing and the networking between the people of AEC industry, and the AEC being architecture, engineering, and construction industry. So I can kind of go back up, and also if I go to events, I can see under BILT there is Australia and New Zealand region, as well as Asia, North America, and Europe. And also at the same time, I wanted to introduce the Digital Built Week, and it explains that the Digital Built Week includes Design Technology Summit and Data Day and Building Content Summit along with BILT. So on North America region, and you can see all four of these events are taking place within same week, and it is all held in Seattle. So today we are focusing mainly on BILT NA. So if I go to register now, you can see the pricing is available, and I can go from 4-day pass, 3-day pass, and 2-day pass as well. And if you're planning on attending one of those events, then you can just purchase these: Building Content Summit or Data Day or Design Technology Summit. Or if you just want to access single day, then you can just go for Wednesday day pass or Thursday to Saturday day pass, or you can pay as group, professor, and student and speaker pass as well. And also the accommodation is available for purchase at the Hyatt Regency Seattle, and you can look up all the price and details of those items all within this website. So I will certainly be in Seattle from 18th to 20th of July this year. And if you're interested in attending the event, please go ahead and register for the event. And if I ever bump into you, please say hi. So I hope this was a useful introduction of BILT. If so, please like it and subscribe to my channel, because I will certainly be covering more details of my session as well as other people's sessions. It will be also followed by my video coverage of this event. So stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.